In this video, I'm gonna cover scientific notation 8th grade. So I'm gonna be talking how to work and solve scientific notation, right? So let's say you were given 4.5 times 10 to the power of 3 or 10 cubed. So now to explain it, what is this? We know the 3 is the exponent. The number that was given, any number is given before times 10, coefficient. The 10 itself, the base. So this is how you're supposed to identify. Number before times 10 is coefficient, number that is first. The 10 is base 10, right? The 3 is exponent. So in this format, 4.5 times 10 to the 3, it is scientific notation, right? So now the 10 is a positive. You know, x positive, you go to the right, x negative, you go to the left. So since this is a positive, you go in 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3. If it's a negative, you go in 3 units to the negative, right? Integer, right? So, and then if it's positive, you go to the right integer, right? So now in this one is going to be, you go into the right 1, your decimal point is there, 1 0, and then you have 2 more units. Since there's no number here, it's supposed to be a 0. So what you're gonna have, 4,500. This is how you write 4,500 for this part. What about if it's negative? Your decimal point here, you go 4 unit right to the left, 1, your decimal point will be here, 2, 3, 4. So you'll have 3 zeros and then the 4. That's the fourth step. So your answer will be decimal 0, 0, 0, 4, and 5, right? Because you left from here and you go into the left, 4 unit. This is the first unit and 3 more zeros since there's no number here. So if it's empty, like I talked in 6th grade, it's called placeholder. So you have to put 0, 0, 0, the other 3, right? Any empty place, put 0. So 0, that's what I was saying in the 6th grade. So now let's say another one. What is the 3.14 times 10 to the negative 2? Now it's negative. You go into the left, what? 2 unit. 1 is here, you are here. See, there's no number, is empty, you put 0 now. So you move 2 unit to the left. 1, 2, which comes here 0, and then decimal. That's what it is now. Right now you have 0 decimal 0 3 1 4, right? Practice. 6.2 times 10 to the negative 2 equal to what? This is your practice. Let's say you were given order for, let's say they ask you, did the order greater or less? They give you 10 times 3 times 3 times 10 to the negative 2, comma 3.04 times 10 to the negative 1. So order give greater or they say smaller. It doesn't matter. Let's say we have to do the order greater, 0.03, because this is, you go 2 unit to the left is a negative, right? You come into the here and then you add 1 more 0 and then decimal. It become 0.03. This one become what? 1 unit to the left. You move in here and your decimal goes in front of the 3, right? There's no 0 there, right? So the first one, this one become 0.03, the second one become 0.304. So which one is the greatest? This is the greatest, this is the greatest, and this is the one, right? First one. The second one is the smallest. This is how you do when you ask the order, which one is the greatest, which one is the smallest, or do the order greatest to the smallest or least to most, things like that. This is a scientific notation for the 8th grade.